I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials so your first activation succeeds. Equip one gadget and assign it to a hotkey now. This avoids fumbling mid-encounter. Make sure your power meter reads at least 50% because gadgets drain energy on use. Once that's set, open the gadget menu and read the short description to learn its primary effect. This tells you when to trigger it. By acting immediately, you keep momentum and prevent wasted charges. You now chain the gadget into actual gameplay. Begin by syncing it with movement, dash, or reposition, then activate to ensure effect lands. Next, stack it with a power buff. If a buff lasts 3 seconds, trigger the gadget inside that window to amplify results. Also track cooldowns, mentally note durations in seconds so you can rotate gadgets without gaps. Once you practice this combo sequence a few times, your timing becomes intuitive, and your gadget usage becomes consistently effective. You finish the operation by confirming outcomes and preventing repeat errors. After the last engagement, check gadget charge and recharge when it falls below 20% so it's ready next fight. If a gadget effect fails, inspect compatibility and your power level. Most failures are energy or pairing issues. If inputs misfire, reset hotkey mapping to eliminate conflicts. With these final checks, you close the loop. You reduce failures, maintain uptime, and ensure gadgets perform reliably every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.